So I got this broken off bolt here we're going to try to get out. I got this Warrior screw extractor set from Harbor Freight. I'm going to see if it works. So that thing uses reversible drill bits. And I have 2 drills that have reverse. And none of them fit in this space. So I might try it on, there's a bolt down here, I might try it on just to see if it works. And then I'll try to drill a regular hole because I do have a small drill that'll fit there but doesn't have reverse. See if I can get that thing out. So far, not so good. Sometimes you make plans on the cars and it doesn't always work out. So I drilled this, and of course it went off center. So I just drilled it all the way out. Went to the bolts bin and found this. And I just did it the correct way. I just jammed it in there. And there we go. Remember, this is a go car, not a show car. So not much luck with the bolt extractor. I ended up just drilling a hole. I kind of tapped it, found a bolt, and got it in there. It probably took me like an hour. I'm sure you would have loved to watch that. So on to the next thing.